Hello, my name is Gilbert Brandt, and this video is Cashback Rewards Free App Download. Now, if you want Cashback Rewards Free App Download, you scroll down this page, and I'm doing this for a cover letter for a company. If you go here, they're like number 2. This is Ibotta, the company I'm talking about. This is their second listing, their third listing, their fourth. They have 7 places on this page right here that Ibotta. This is the New York Times, so I can't read that one. But this one, they're listed. Out of 7 listings, 5 of them they're rated. They're the first one, and 2 of them they're number 2. Now, let me show you something because I'm doing a review for their company. We're going to hit the videos, show you how YouTube works. Now, if you hit this video here, YouTube now makes it. If I want to take this number 1 place, I can type in these keywords here, put a bid of anywhere from a penny to 30 cents, and I can put my video there and it'll be number 1. And I only pay when somebody clicks it. Now, the second version that you can do on YouTube, let's take this guy for example. This is what's called an in-stream. Now, he doesn't, this guy, normally a video comes up in front of his, and that'd be an in-stream video. But you'll see this guy has a boatload of views, 200 and some thousand views, 200 and some thousand. So you can put a video in stream where it clicks off in 5 seconds. Let me give you an example because that guy usually had a video in front of his. This guy's got the same thing. You'll come up, see right there. That's a click to play. That's what they call an in-stream ad. You can put your ad in front of anybody's business that you want if there's not an ad there. And this ad's probably costing 10, 20 cents a view on a video. So you can put one there or you can put one here. And if they click on it, it costs. Those are the 3 ways. You can be number 1. You can be over here on the side of number 1, or you can pop up in front of their video. Now I'm going to go a little bit more about Ibotta. Right here on Ibotta, because I'm applying for SEO, this right here, this is your title tag for your page. This is terrible. Absolutely terrible. It should be something like this. This should be your keywords for your app right here. Cashback rewards free app download. That should be the title of your page with a $10 cashback. You got 70 spaces here, so you could put in a few more words or a few more kilos. Now, the second most important thing on your website, this is your title tag. Your H1 header page is the second most thing. And on your H1 header page, you know what the title of your page is? Life Rewarded. That is not any keywords that are going to help you rank. That definitely needs to be changed. And you get a hold of me for an interview, and I'll tell you exactly how to change your website so you can SEO it and get more business that way. Now, one final thing before leaving, I wanted to go to your YouTube site. When you go to your social media, you have a little over, you have 1,100,000 people on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Now, all these videos here, not a one of your videos, you got 9 or 10 million views on your video site, and not a one video links to your website. You're losing all kinds of link juice. And when you title a video, never put your business name at the beginning. You're going to always rank for Ibotta. Like this one should be earn cash back on mobile purchases, get $10 bonus, $10 sign on bonus. This one, cash back on travel booking, $10 sign on bonus. Each one of these can be retagged. When I redo your social media, you'll have 15 social media sites. 15 video sharing sites, and about 10 blogs and other kinds of major backlinks. When I get you hooked up with all your backlinks, we retitle and retag each one of these videos, repost it, and you'll probably have another 9-10 million views on this. But during that time, by putting it on different video sharing sites, your video, I figure in 4 to 6 months, you'll have another million social media followers, along with another million people to hit on your website. Thank you for your time.